Okay, time for us to go outside and shovel. It's Thursday, February 20th, 2014. And it's been snowing all afternoon, so it's time to shovel. Here we go. Here's the garage. No shoveling needed in here. Cars are safely protected from the snow. There's Mark already out here. I'm taking a video. Hold on. Well, you could wave. All right, back to work. This has already been shoveled once this afternoon. So it looks like there's probably, and that point was probably, I don't know, a couple inches, maybe a few inches. So it's been snowing all afternoon. It's about 8 o'clock tonight, 8:30 maybe at night. The giant snow piles are there because that's all the other snow we already had. And I'm about to get my shovel and help. Ugh. This is the part I'm going to do, the front steps and the front walk. And yeah, so that's what it looks like. You can't really see it very well because it's dark, but take my word for it, it's a lot of snow. Okay, bye.